Hello and welcome. My name is Bradleymayerharman, and today I have the pleasure of being joined with Lisa Post. She's running for council in the town of Orangeville. And we want to talk to you today about some issues that are important to you, and also if there's any message you want to give for the voter at this time.
Absolutely. So the issues that are most important to me are smart spending. That's number one. The second one being collaboration. And when I speak about collaboration, I mean amongst council, I mean with town staff, I mean with residents, also with neighboring municipalities. I think that collaboration is so important. And the sense of community. And I think we have the opportunity to do some really great things in the community, such as events. I was fortunate to be part of the organizing committee for Celebrate Your Awesome, which was Dufferin County's very first Pride and Diversity Day. And it was an amazing experience, and it was so well received by the community. And events like that really do help to grow that feeling of community and that feeling of inclusion, and that's really important to me. And I think we have an opportunity to remove some of the red tape when it comes to things like events, when we've got such great people in our community who are ready, willing, and able to put an event together at no cost to the town. I think we have an opportunity to streamline the process and to make it easier for residents to come and start something like that. We definitely have that opportunity. It's something that I would like to look at. That would just continue to grow our arts and culture community as well. And we've got a very diverse arts and culture community. And to be able to grow on that and keep building towards that community, I think is important as well.
Well, that would certainly a venture that's worth pursuing. So,
absolutely.
Thanks again for coming in and speaking to us, and I wish you the best of luck in your candidacy. And obviously, if you'd like to see some more content and some answers from Lisa, feel free to check out the links below. And before I let you go, I really want to emphasize the importance of you going out and voting. This fall is the election, and it's important that as many people are informed, which is one of the reasons why we do the videos that we are doing today. So please don't hesitate to contact us, but more importantly, don't hesitate to make that effort to go and vote and exercise your democratic responsibility. Thank you for watching.